Hi YouTube, it's Josh, I'm back. Didn't get Robbie Williams, but I got two albums instead. So, let me show you the first album. Of the two albums, it's... The Remember Cat Stevens, the Ultimate Collection. Ta-da! As you know, I love Cat Stevens, so gotta have this in my collection. It costs $10. I'll take the sticker off later. Right. Ready? I'm just gonna pull this out of my sleeve of doom. Let me put that up there for the moment. Alright. I'll first of all read out the songs include Wild World, Father and Son, Moonshine and Matthew and Son, First Cut into Divas, Morning is Broken and Old School Yard, which is called Remember the Days, in brackets Old School Yard. So that's the front cover. We've got this. I won't read it off on video because this will be long enough as it is. Okay, you would have seen this by now. It's been out since 1999 at least. You can pause to read that. Hang on. Up to the next page. Lucky this one doesn't have many images in it. Done, alright. This one I'm up to. Let me just grab a hold of this and put it here like so. You read that if you want. Alright. Here are some albums. There you go, there you have it. Alright. Now here are the track listing. I'll let you read it out because I'm not going to read it. 3, 2, 1. This is the back bit. This is some information on this thing. 3, 2, 1. I got about there. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Yeah, Matthew and Son, Mona Boone, Jake Con, Tilfin Tillman, Tease and the Fear Cat, Cat the Bullet for Fulgina, however you say it, Cassian Buller and the Chocolate Box, and Back to Earth, which is the album that has Justin Undernight on it, which is not shown in this photo, as you can tell. Anyway, that is, I haven't finished yet. This video will go more than 5 minutes because I've gotta put the cover back in. Now I'm going to show you the little background. First of all, let me just show you the background. Right, I'm going to show you the CD. It's a bit hard to read because it's silver, as you can plainly will see. That's the back. Now I'm just going to show you the back of this, so you guys. Rightio, that is my Cat Stevens, Remember Cat Stevens CD for $9.99. I got this at Sanity. It was very cheap, so that is my first album. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So hopefully I will review this album and tell you my favourite songs. I won't be reviewing this today. I don't have time now because my housemate will be back soon. So I just thought I'd show you the album today. So that is it. That was Cat Stevens. Remember Cat Stevens, the Ultimate Collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace. Bye YouTube. Bye. Bye.